Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming keyboards with a review of the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro TKL. Let's see if this keyboard lives up to the hype. Alright, let's start with the design. The Huntsman V3 Pro TKL boasts a sleek and refined look. Its midnight brushed aluminum top case gives it a premium feel, while the per-key RGB backlighting adds a touch of style without being overbearing. One thing I particularly like is the magnetic wrist rest. It's trimmed in a simple leatherette, which not only complements the keyboard's aesthetic but also provides adequate support for long gaming sessions. Now, let's talk switches. The Huntsman V3 Pro TKL features Razer's analog optical switches Gen 2, which offer customizable actuation and rapid trigger mode. This means you can adjust the actuation point from 0.1 to 4.0 mm to suit your preferences. And the rapid trigger mode allows for lightning-fast key presses, perfect for competitive gaming. But how does it feel to type on? In one word, fantastic. The switches are super smooth, and the keycaps, made of double-shot PBT plastic, provide a satisfying typing experience. Plus, with the ability to adjust the actuation point, you can fine-tune the keyboard to your liking. Of course, a gaming keyboard is only as good as its gaming performance. And let me tell you, the Huntsman V3 Pro TKL does not disappoint. The rapid trigger mode and customizable actuation make it incredibly responsive, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. Now, let's talk about the software. The Huntsman V3 Pro TKL uses Razer Synapse for all its programming needs. While it may be a bit bulky, it offers a plethora of customization options, from remapping keys to recording macros. Plus, it's essential for making the most out of the keyboard's analog functionality. Hey there! So, is the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro TKL worth the investment? Absolutely. With its sleek design, customizable switches, and exceptional gaming performance, it's a top contender in the gaming keyboard market. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports player, this keyboard has something to offer. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!